Can two players play Roblox split screen on the PS5? So in this video I'm gonna answer this question. If you open up Roblox here, then you may have noticed that there isn't any option to play as two people. What you can do is to go into the settings and enable cross-platform play, and then in order to actually play as two players on the PS5, you will need to play on separate devices. So there isn't any split screen function. You can connect two controllers to the same PS5 by pressing the PS and share button at the same time. This is going to pair the controller to the PS5. So you can pair another controller, but you cannot play split screen Roblox on the PS5. You will need to use separate devices such as a phone and a PS5, or PC and PS5, and that's how you can do it. If you want to play as two people. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.